आम्ही जाण जाता फाल्यां तुय जाण जाता जाण जाता म्हणटकूच तुगेली नातरां जातलीं ती तुका सांगतली ग्रँडपा तूं फुडें नाका तूं फाटल्यान राव डोंट मिस्टेक it's a culture of India, culture of Goa. You must know how to respect your elders. It doesn't mean that you have to give tickets to the elders, but respect, yes. So if those don't have culture, that shows the background of their families. We want young leaders, yes. We have to promote new leaders, yes. And Goa is young, so we need young leaders. Please take this down. But because you want young leaders, you want to disrespect your father, mother and grandfather, it shows your culture, your family background. It shows from where you are coming. Because in India, I'm proud that we respect our elders. And that respect comes from your deep culture, upbringing and education you got in your family.
With this scenario, each and every MLA has
So if somebody has told you that, it is in a very bad shape, very bad light. Because you must know how to respect our elders. You just see now, even inside you come and see, we got so many new faces, and I'm assuring you more than 50% will be new faces. They are dreaming. Congress doesn't belong to reason for it. Congress belongs to the people of this country. Of course, people have seen, people have got every right. They have seen what was during Congress time. They have seen what is happening for the last 3.5 years. They have seen the pathetic state of financial situation in the country. And people are not fools. They have seen the misery, the total failure on all the fronts. So-called Parivartan has failed miserably. All the manifesto has failed miserably. So it is time people will have an introspection of the last 3.5 years. And people will and the alternative is only Congress party.